What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the first ever skin fade tutorial on my channel. This is the first time I've ever given myself a skin fade, so make sure you guys stay tuned and watch until the end. And so to get things started with this self haircut, the first guideline that I'm going to be putting in is with my no guard and the lever completely closed. So using the foil shaving attachment that came with my WAHL trimmers, I'm going to be balding out the back of my head and around my ears and leaving just about 1/4 of an inch of hair right below that first guideline. So using the WAHL trimmers with the standard T-blade attachment, I'm just going to be going in and softening up that hard line that I just created using the foil shaver. Now for the second guideline that I'm going to be putting in, I'm using the no guard lever completely open and I'm going up about 1/2 inch all around my head. So one of the biggest things you want to do when it comes to fading in your hair is making sure that you soften up the hard line first using a different type of lever or a different type of guard, and then going in with the actual lever and the actual guard that you need to use to flick out the hard line. So always trying to soften up that hard line first and then go in and attack it to fade it out. So now that we just finished softening up the hard line with the lever halfway open, go ahead and close the lever completely to flick out that bottom hard line. So because this is the first time I've ever given myself a skin fade, I don't think I came prepared with the proper tools. So I had to go in with the foil shaver again to kind of like punch at the hard line, the bald hard line, and remove it. I know it sounds funny, but you know, this is kind of what I had to do to get rid of that hard line. So now with the number 1 guard with the lever open, I'm going to be creating that third guideline, going up about 1 inch all around my head. And so now using the number 1 guard with the lever closed, go in and soften up that bottom hard line that you just created with the number 1 guard lever open. So now that you have that hard line softened up with the number 1 guard lever closed, go in with the half guard lever closed and flick out that hard line. So now using the number 2 guard with the lever open, I'm going up another 1 inch all around my head, but the key here is to make sure that you're going straight up off the head at roughly a 90-degree angle, so that way you don't dig into your hair by your part line. So for this one, I tried to use the number 2 guard with the lever closed to soften up the hard line first, but no hair was getting cut for some reason, so I went ahead and started the fading process with the 1.5 guard lever closed to flick out that hard line. So using the number 3 guard with the lever open, I'm just going to be flicking out the excess length by my part line to really blend in everything just a little bit better on the sides and back of my head. So to tie things together and make the haircut look even better, I'm also going to be fading in my beard, and so pretty much all you need to do is use the exact same steps for the haircut on your beard, only going in reverse and going down. And so right here, using my WAHL trimmers, I'm just giving myself a nice lineup on my neck, and then I'm also going to be going in with my foil shavers to clean things up, make it bald, and give it that nice clean look. And for those of you guys that are interested in seeing how I cut my facial hair, like my mustache, my eyebrows, do my hairline, I'm also going to be adding that in this video for you as well. So typically for my hairline, I like to keep things as natural as possible. I don't like to use a trimmer and give myself really hard lines. So I'm just going to be using some scissors and cleaning up any of these smaller flyaway hairs. Hey yo, is that Alex? Yo, why does he look like he's living in a cave? That's nasty. Oh, hey, yo, what's up, Alex? Hey, that's fresh, boy, what's up? Hey, what you doing? Hey, first skin fade self haircut? That's what's up. Let me know in the comment section, guys. If you like this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you're new to my channel, click the post notification bell as well to never miss a new video. I'm posting a new video every single week, and they're only gonna keep getting better as time goes on. So make sure you guys check out my Instagram as well at Alex Kouras. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace!